We are right here in our beautiful campus here in Mississauga. We are so excited to be here. We have state-of-the-art technology going into our classrooms. We have a beautiful campus with interior, exterior, lots of parking, lots of access to public transit. Pastors, if you are here close by Mississauga in the GTA, this is a place for you, the place for your leaders to come and study, a place for you to come study at seminary. We are so excited. We want to show you around and we want you to come here and visit us right here. Let's go take a look. So here's what you'll see when you come in. This is our reception area. And you come in, you hang a right, we'll go right to our classrooms that are down this hallway. Here's our classrooms. We're in the final stages of getting it installed and ready for you. TV's going up, high-tech ceiling mics, cameras everywhere. This is going to be a great place for you to study from. Let's take a look at the rest of the building. More classrooms here. Our offices are coming together under construction. Here's our office space. People are working, getting ready to welcome you this September. Eldon's on a call, getting ready for orientation. Down this hallway is the PAOC archives that our students will be able to access and be able to learn more. Take a look here. It's also a quiet study space. Here's a great space for getting your lunches and gathering together, common area, and you can get some good coffee here too.